Hi! Welcome to my craft room. It's a mess. I've got a lot going on. Super excited about Christmas coming, and I've been making some Christmas ornaments. Anyway, I'm so excited to teach you how to make these ornaments. They're pretty simple and they're great. You can personalize them for gifts for people. You can sell them. You can decorate your whole tree with them. When you sign up for the class, I'll take you step by step and show you exactly how to make these ornaments. The class will be self-paced, and so you do it at your own convenience. Each section is broken down into small segments. Another reason I love these online classes is because you can watch them in your pajamas. And you don't have to worry about going anywhere when it's raining or really cold. You can just stay inside, grab your favorite beverage, and relax. Hope you sign up for the class. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.